Hi everyone, welcome to the Homematch channel. Today, I'll be guiding you through the process of registering on our property listing site, Homematch, and how to upload your properties. Let's get started. First, head over to homematch.co.za. On the top right of the page, you'll see a profile icon. Click on it, and it will bring up the registration form. For your convenience, we've also added an additional login/register menu icon. Simply add in your credentials and choose your user role. Remember, your username needs to be unique and should not contain any spaces or special characters. It won't be visible to anyone else. You'll need to decide if you're registering as an agent or an agency. Agencies have the ability to load their agents under their company profile and keep track of each listing's performance. Once registered, log into your account and you'll be redirected to your CRM. For agencies, your CRM will have an additional Agents tab in the menu. Here you can view, edit, and manage the profiles and listings of all agents under your agency. Listings can be viewed under the Properties tab on the left. This is where individual agents will have access to all their properties and can make changes accordingly. At first, you'll see no listings available. To create one, click on the Create a Listing button at the top right. On the Create a Listing page, agencies will see an additional option to select the author at the top right. This is useful if you're administrative staff uploading properties on behalf of an agent. The rest of the steps apply to both agents and agencies. Start by adding the property title, followed by the description in the box below. Next is the type of property, the status, and any additional labels you can add if applicable, such as if the property is under sole mandate. If there are any additional fields or options you would like for any of the features on this page, simply let us know. We are happy to accommodate them if they would be beneficial for everyone. When entering the for sale or rental price, please do not add any spaces, currency symbols, or decimal points, as these will make the bond calculator not work. You then have the option to upload images of the property. At least one image is required, and you can upload up to 50. For uploading a video, simply go to your YouTube where your video is hosted. Click the share button, copy the whole URL, and paste it here. If you don't have a YouTube page, simply chat with us. We are happy to upload your property video onto our channel and link it accordingly. Next, you can upload the property details, including the number of rooms, bathrooms, size, etc. For rates, taxes, and levies, please include the Rand currency symbol when adding the amounts if you wish to display them. Under Additional Details, if there are any unique features of the property that we don't yet have an option for, you can add them here. With features, you can simply tick the checkboxes. Under Location, it's important to at least list the area under the address field to have it show up in searches. If you want to keep your exact location private, you can enter a suburb. Google Maps will automatically register the area after typing in the suburb name and place a pin on the map below. You can then type in Contact Agent for the street address if you wish to keep this anonymous. You can then upload any attachments you wish the clients to have access to, like floor plans, property overview, or your professional profile. Once done, you just need to accept the POPIA consent and click Submit. Your property will then be immediately visible on the site and under your Properties tab on the dashboard. You should now be ready to register and upload properties on Homematch. Thanks for watching and happy listing. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team.